Yo, yo, yo. Now fall is on its way, and with it comes the eating season. Now, I'm by no means complaining, but I feel like if we ease our way into it, we'll come out on top, right? So it's time for something healthy. Time for a make and taste. Now, I got my hands on this. It's the Weight Watchers Best Ever Desserts recipe book. So, let's make something. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, Weight Watchers has been around for a very long time, and they've helped thousands reach their weight goals. And as far as their recipes, I've heard that they're not an extreme divergent from their full-fat counterparts as far as taste goes. So, let's see. Now, a make and taste is where I make a recipe that I found, I taste it, and then I tell you my thoughts on it. Now, I'm making these very lemony pudding cakes, which will be like a bright and citrusy dish as we try to hold on to the last fleeting vestiges of summer. Now, preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna spray 8 5-ounce ramekins or 6-ounce custard cups with nonstick spray. Now, I only had 4 ramekins, but I did have some mason jars, so I'm just gonna use 4 ramekins and 4 mason jars, and we'll see how they come out in the mason jars. Now, with an electric mixer on medium speed, we're gonna beat 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter until creamy. It's about 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of grated lemon zest. We're gonna beat this until it's light and fluffy for about 1 minute. Now we're gonna beat in 1/2 cup of fat-free egg substitute. And then we're gonna reduce the speed to low. I just turned it off completely because it just made it easier adding the other ingredients. Now we need 1 cup of fat-free sour cream, but we're only gonna add 1/2 of the sour cream now. We'll need 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is about 3 lemons, but we're only gonna add about 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice now. We're gonna need 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, but we're only gonna add about 3 tablespoons or just half of the flour. And we're gonna beat this until it's smooth. Then we're gonna add the remaining sour cream, lemon juice, and flour, and then beat until smooth and set aside. Now with clean beaters and a mixer, we're gonna beat 3 egg whites and 1/4 teaspoon of salt until it forms stiff peaks. And then with a rubber spatula, we're gonna fold in the beaten egg whites 1/2 at a time into the lemon mixture, just until no streaks of the white remain. Now we're going to divide this mixture among the ramekins. Then place these in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Now you're just gonna put the pan in the oven and then add enough boiling water to the pan to cover 1 inch of the sides of the ramekin. I just did everything before putting it in the oven. I'm gonna bake these until golden brown and just set in the center, which is about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna transfer these to a rack and let cool for about 10 minutes. Dust the top with some confectioner sugar and garnish as you like. Serve warm. All right, so we did the make. Now it's time for the taste. This looks delicious. Ooh, it's nice and spongy. I can smell the lemon, like, oh my goodness, it's so lemony. It's nice and spongy, so that's the pudding, but it's kind of like cake. Here we go. Mmm. Okay. First of all, that does not taste like there's anything fat-free in there. That tastes delicious. That is so lemony and so light. That is perfect. Weight Watchers, you know what you are doing. Oh my goodness. That is a recipe that I'm gonna hold on to. That is delicious. If I want something like not too heavy, really bright, just to kind of brighten the day. And oh my goodness, the lemon in that, fantastic. I approve. I approve. Deliciousness in a cup. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you would like to try these pudding cakes, because they are so yummy. And also, what kind of Weight Watchers or fat-free or diet things that you've tried that you have really liked and will definitely incorporate into your everyday life. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for joining me, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.